Good morning, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing the Robooter E40 folding power wheelchair, so stay tuned. So to unbox the Robooter E40, we're going to start with getting a knife, and we're going to cut these straps here. They are kind of thick, just as a heads up. When you do cut these straps, do not cut into the product. Try to cut upwards. I don't want you potentially damaging anything inside the box. But once those straps have been cut, I can take the lid off the box. And you can kind of see here we got some foam. In the front half, we have our owner's manual right here. And on the other side, I assume this is our charger. It is. I will remove this front foam. Also, in the left-hand side, we've got a small toolkit and the second half to our charger right here. I'll remove this back foam as well. Then from here, it's actually pretty easy. We just lift the box straight up and we can set that to the side. You can see our power chair is sitting in some foam down here. This is a pretty lightweight chair, so you can do this by yourself. If not, I would recommend getting two people. But like I said, this is not a very heavy unit, so we should be able to pick it up out of here. There we go. Remove this plastic. And our chair is pretty much assembled right here. I'm going to take a moment to clean up and then we will get to how to unfold it. Now that I have all the packing material taken out of the way, I'm going to unfold the unit. The unit has a bar in the back that you're going to push down, and they recommend one hand up top, one hand on the bar. You push down on the bar and you pull up on this back handle, and then from here it'll unfold, but eventually we're going to have to push it forward because you're going to want these wheels on the ground. So we'll kind of lift it up and go forward, and then it will unfold like that. And in order to fold it again, the bar is located right here. There's a little tab right here. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but you would push that down and then it would fold pretty much the same way that we unfolded it, just in reverse. But that is how you release it right there. Now the battery in this unit is actually already on. All I have to do is hold the power button and the chair will turn on. Now there is a lock and an unlock function. If you press the power button, not holding it, if you just press it, you can lock and unlock your joystick. So right now it is locked, it will not drive. I'm going to push the power button again and it unlocks, and now we can drive. This unit in the back also has neutral levers. So if for some reason your battery dies and you need to push the unit, we have neutral levers back here. It is these two handles. You have to push both of them down. With them down, the chair will not drive. It'll throw up an error 40 code, so the chair will not drive, but you can push the unit around. So if it says error 40, on your joystick, check these levers. You want to make sure they are up. Then the chair is ready to drive, but if you have to push it, you can push these levers down and put it into neutral. And now the chair is driving again, now that I have the brakes in the lock position. So now I'm going to show you how to remove the battery. In order to do that, you have to unlock it. There is a switch on both sides of the unit. You want to put it in the unlock position. There's one on the other side the exact same way. Once it's unlocked, there's two plastic tabs that pull out to the side. Then from here, the battery pulls backwards and it just slides out. So here's our battery. There is a charging port in the battery right here if you want to charge it externally. You don't have to have it in the unit. You can leave the unit folded in your vehicle and pull the battery out and charge it inside your house like this. To reinstall the battery, you would just slide it back in close these two tabs, and then lock them. Then we're good to go. The battery has been installed again. So a couple other things about this unit. On the left-hand side, you do have a USB port right here. And underneath, if you just tap, you get a little flashlight that's under the arm. Both of the arms can flip out of the way quite easily, and they do fully clear if you transfer from the side. And then powering on and off the unit, you have to hold the power button to turn it on, and you have to hold it down to turn it off. If you simply press it, you will just lock and unlock the chair. This has been the unboxing of the Robooter E40 folding power chair. If you like this unit, if you have any questions about this unit, or you would like to purchase this unit, feel free to give us a call. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.